Did you know that you can transfer files from your phone to a USB flash stick if you have this adapter? When you purchase designs for your machines from the internet, you will receive an email with the files for your machines attached. Now, instead of going to your PC to transfer the files, you can do it directly from your phone. You will need this type of adapter though, because the USB flash stick plugs into this adapter, and then the adapter, which already has the USB stick in it, is connected to the phone through the charging port on the phone. My type is the type C male to USB female adapter. However, please check that your phone uses a Type-C charging cable, otherwise you will have to get the type that fits your phone. Now, these adapters are available from computer as well as cell phone shops. I will show you now how to transfer the files from the phone to the USB stick. And then once the file has been transferred to the USB stick, you'll simply pop the stick into your embroidery machine so that you can transfer that file to the machine. Now you can do exactly the same for the scan and cut. But just before we get into this video, welcome to the Sew and Craft channel. My name is Shireen Haynes. Being creative and teaching are my passions, and I've been doing this full-time since 1993. I post easy to follow step-by-step videos for sewing and craft, and if you'd like to know when I post new videos, please click on the subscribe button, the little bell icon to be notified, as well as the like button, because this helps me to spread the word that sewing and crafting are fun. Thank you. Also, please click on the link below this video to connect to my website for even more video lessons. Here is my phone home screen, and I'm busy plugging in the adapter that has the USB stick already in it into my phone. Now you'll see a small USB icon has appeared at the top edge of my phone screen. Now what I need to do is I need to take my finger and swipe down on the screen so that I can see the USB storage added icon. Now I'm going to click on that, and a new screen is going to open, and it's going to show me what is already on that USB stick, because my phone is currently reading what is on that USB stick. Now we need to click the back button because we want to go back to the home screen so that we can go to the email folder and find the email with the files in it. So now I'm in the email folder, and here I have my two emails. One has files for the embroidery machine and the other has files for the scan and cut machine. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold my finger down on the first file for just about 1 second, then lift my finger off, and this message is going to appear. Click on Save to Device. So I click on that, and you'll see it is now telling me the attachment has been saved to my Downloads folder on my phone. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold my finger down on the second file, also for about 1 second, lift it up, and then you'll see I'll get the message that it's also gone to my Downloads folder. Now I want to click the back button because I want to go back to the email, and I go back again because what I want to do now is I want to open that second email and download the files from there too. So once again, I'm going to just hold my finger for a second on each one of those on that little download arrow on the file, and it will save them all onto my device now. So in other words, all of these files are going to be saved in my downloads folder. But now we want to go to the download folder, so we're going to click on the back button to go back to the home screen. Then we're going to scroll across, and I look for the downloads folder, and my downloads are under my files. Yours might be in a different place, so just click wherever it is to open it and find downloads and click on it. Now once you've opened the download folder, you're going to see all of those files that you have just downloaded. Now what we want to do is we want to hold our finger on the first file that we want to send to the USB stick and click on that little circle till you see a tick, and then touch all the little circles of each file that you want to send to the stick and place a tick next to them. Then you are going to go and click on copy. Then you are going to click on back, because we need to now go and select the USB storage, because that is where we are going to paste those files that we have just copied. So we click copy here again, and all the files that you had selected are going to be pasted onto your USB stick. Now please don't just pull the adapter out of your phone, because you might corrupt the USB stick. So click on the three little dots at the top of the screen, and then you're going to get this message and click on unmount. Now you'll just wait a little bit until the message comes up and says USB storage unmounted. Once you see that, you can then remove the adapter from your phone. Now that the files are on the USB stick, simply pop the stick into your embroidery machine or into your scan and cut so that you can transfer the files to your machines. Now you have seen how I sent files to the USB stick, but I want to show you that I can also open or download files from the USB stick too. So for example, I can even open a video file from the USB stick. So I simply select the video that I want to open and then click on it, and it will start to play. Now if I have my phone set on auto rotate mode, if I turn the phone, I will also be able to view that video in full screen. Then if I want to go back, I simply click the back button, because if I wanted to download this file instead of just watching it, I simply put my finger on the file for a second, like I did with the previous files, let go, and then a little circle will appear to the left, and I put a tick into that circle. And then I'm going to click on copy, and straight after copy I'm going to click on the back button, because I want to go back to the home screen to get to my files folder where the download section is, because I'm going to go and paste it into the downloads. So now I've scrolled back to the screen where my files are. I've clicked on it to open, and now I can choose where I want to download the video to. Now I can download it to videos, to downloads, or my internal storage or SD card on my phone. Now I'm not going to download this video because I already have it on the stick and I don't need it on my phone. So I just wanted to demonstrate how you could do it if you wanted to. This is such a versatile little adapter to own, because you can transfer not only files but photos and movies too, and you can use it to transfer to or from your phone. Now if you would like to have access to more of my videos like this, with hints, tips, techniques and projects that are all about sewing, craft, decor or digitizing, please feel free to subscribe to my channel, and remember to click on the little bell so that you won't miss any new videos that I post.